Hey everyone, welcome to Living It Country. I'm Holly, and today I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys a really great Mother's Day gift idea. You guys know I'm all about supporting small businesses, especially during these times right now. So my friend Katai over at White Pine Vintage, you guys might recognize her from quite a few of my videos, from my Penology Market video, my candle video. She's a very dear friend of mine, and she sent me this beautiful box. It's called the Maker Box, and she has collaborated with 4 local businesses in Washington State to create this special edition box during this time. So it's perfect for Mother's Day, and it can be shipped right to a special mom in your life, and it's just absolutely so much fun. I thought I would share it with you guys. So this is called the Maker Box. Comes with this beautiful little card right here, and it talks about all the makers inside. So we have White Pine Vintage, their dough bowl candle. We have Evergreen Roots Northwest jar candle. We have Maya Nicole Designs, and then we have a D pottery. So this is what it looks like as we open. And the last day for ordering is going to be May 4th. So make sure you guys get yours before they sell out. I think they have 30 boxes left, so let's sell them out, you guys. So this is what it looks like inside when you open the box. So one thing Katai did mention to me about this specific box is it is free shipping on this box only. So that's great, huh? I like that. So the first thing that we're gonna unbox is her dough bowl candle. And you guys have seen me burn these candles before, but what you've also seen is the dough bowls decorated around my house. So they're great to, when you're finished with the candles, it's great to empty out and put lemons in or decorative pieces in. So I'm really excited. I'm going to undo this. This is her new scent. It's the Wild Orange scent. So I'm really excited to try this. She has a really good sweet lemon. I've had that one before. What are some other ones that I've had? Can't remember, but I'll link it down below. And I do have a link in the description box if you guys want to purchase your dough bowl candles or specifically this Maker's Box. Oh, I can smell it, you guys. Oh, this smells so good. You guys know I am a loving candle girl. I love candles. You don't even have to burn this and it smells so good. True fact, the first time I ever purchased my dough bowl candle, I left it unburnt for probably 3 or 4 months because it's so pretty and it already smells really good as it is. So this is the White Pine Vintage candle, and she is from Puyallup, Washington. So that's a fun fact. Now we have Evergreen Roots Northwest hand-poured soy candles, and this is in the wild, they're both wild orange. I think that is so cool. I think that is so cool because when candle companies have the same scent, sometimes it's not made with the same ingredients, and I think it's really fun that they collaborated together. I've never tried Evergreen Roots Northwest, so I'm really excited about this. I wonder where they're, oh wow, it smells actually way different. This has more of a, this one has more of a sweet citrusy smell, and this one has a stronger orange smell. I like them both. They're really nice. Next we have from D Pottery this sweet little match storage jar. How sweet is this? This is so cute, and I go through matches like crazy, so this is gonna be perfect. I'm assuming that maybe this is, you need like self-striking matches or something like that, but how cute is this? I really want to get some matches that have like colorful, like the tip of it's like colorful, like pink or something, or purple. I've never had those, and I think they would be so cute. So thank you to them. And then we have from Maya Nicole Design Co. We have their hand lettered. They have maps, globes, and more. So we have her cute little keychain that she hand makes, and so it says "Better Together" with some little art. It looks like she might have been the one who made the Maker Box card too, because it's got the same kind of flower drawing, so that is so sweet. Okay, you guys, so this is the Maker Box. It's such a fun way to support small businesses in Washington State that have collaborated together. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Hit that link below if you guys want to support them. and their small businesses during this time and maybe get a goodie for a mom in your life. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later on Living in Country. Bye!